Unfortunately, there is no outcome today. The situation remains unresolved as last week. The offer which is on the table from the employer is 9%. They haven't changed their position. Although we as AMCU, we have revised our position and we have presented our new position to the CCMA for consideration by management. I would say that we are very much disappointed by the manner in which these negotiations are taking place, because it appears that management are not intending to come closer to where we are as AMCU, and also to address the mandate of our members. As a result, we see no progress in these negotiations. Hence, we are going back to our members and are going to intensify the strike action going forward. In terms of the CCMA, they will be reverting back to us. They will go back and reconsider submissions that were made. They will advise us whether we need to meet, if we need to meet, and when are we going to meet. But in as far as we are concerned, we are disappointed by the manner in which these negotiations have been run, and we believe that management are not serious in addressing the plight of our members. We are going to make sure that there are a lot of actions that we are going to undergo in order to support our strike. We are going to even lobby other interested groups who want to join our fight for a better living wage. So by intensifying the strike, it means that we are going to apply more strategies in ensuring that management come closer to our demands. If the CCMA process is open, why they went behind our backs and ran to CCMA, whereas we're busy engaging with them here? So how are we going to be there? Because we're engaging here and then they ran to CCMA. They were supposed to give us time so that whatever discussion pertaining to picketing rules are made between the two parties. But they went to CCMA alone, and then CCMA made those picketing rules without us as AMCU.
How exactly would you like this negotiation to take place?
Easy. We're saying these workers have been earning these peanuts for many years. We're saying let's talk about adjustment instead of a percentage increase, because if you talk about a person who's earning 4,900 and say you're going to increase his salary by 10%, it's just a mockery. But somebody who's earning 15,000, when he increased by 10%, is something. So by adjusting the salary, we're saying let us try to close the gap that exists between the lowest paid employees and the highest paid employees. Once that gap is closed, then we'll be opening some doors for, percentage increase maybe in the next three years to come. But right now, the environment or the playing field is not leveled. Workers are still earning below, the required, minimum salaries.
So no 12,500, no way.
As things stand now, our members are ready and prepared to go to continue with the strike as long as management are not prepared to come closer to what they are demanding. Our members have told us that they are not going to entertain any offer which talks to percentage increase. They want to see adjustment being made to their salaries. That's what they have been telling us.